Alright, so I'm going to be trying to show the matte screen protector application on my Tesla Model Y. This is the 2020 long range version. Anyways, let me go ahead and go to the front. I'm going to close the doors because the neighbors are cutting some bricks. So, yeah. Alright, I'm not 100% sure what you're going to be able to see. I know you can see the screen, but let's go ahead and open up the package from Amazon. Okay, the one I got is from Spigen. Alright, I like their screen protectors, not their screen protector, their phone cases and stuff. And the screen protector has good reviews, so this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can read that. Alright, Spigen, something you want. Tesla Model Y, Model 3, so this works for both. And this there's a tray that helps you get it on right. Anti-glare, easy installation, delicate touch, real glass, and 9H surface hardness. Alright, I don't know what this glass TR easy fit thingy is. Not really anything around the edges or sides. And yeah, there's not much else. Then they have different stuff here. Oh, I don't want somebody to call me right now. Go away. Stop it. Okay, anyways, hopefully it's still recording. I might have to double check. Alright, let me check my phone because I want to make sure it's still recording. Oh, let me get around. Okay, yeah, it's still recording. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop this open. We got the sticker things off, the tape off, so we're going to open this box up. Probably should have washed my hands first, but, well, it's okay. My hands aren't really that dirty. I washed them earlier after I ate. Alright, so this box, okay, there's a tray in here that we need to pull out. It's kind of stuck in there, though. So, oh, it doesn't want to come out. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the other side as well, maybe? I don't know. Or can I, what is it stuck to? It's stuck to something. It doesn't want to come out. Okay, there we go. Just gotta pull it harder, I guess. There we go. Okay. We got this. Pull that out. Okay, nothing else in there. Comes with a foam thing and this little toolkit. Alright, and then you got this paper in the middle. So we're gonna take that paper out, I guess. Then let me set that aside. Let's see what's in the toolkit. The toolkit is just taped on there. Hopefully you guys can see everything I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing in the video, so I guess we'll see when I rewatch it. Alright, you got this little squeegee pad thingy. I'll set that there. Got this, so how to remove bubbles. Okay, so they got this and they tell you to squeegee the air bubbles out. Alright, obviously. Got a screen wipe thing. You got this to remove dust that's stuck inside. Okay, then you got some lens and screen cleaning wipes, dust removing, oil, quick cleaning, quick drying, fingerprint removing. Okay, so do they got instructions in here? What's this? Advertisement stuff. Okay, and then easy fit tray. Alright, so basically, wipe the screen, peel off the protective thing, stick on the tray, and then peel off the thingy. Right, 4, and then you swipe your finger down. So you start from the top and then you swing it down. 5. You peel off that piece and then you can take the tray away and then you can peel off the screen protector and then squeegee out the extra bubbles. So anyways, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the display and I'm going to turn on screen cleaning mode. Alright, and then they have this you can hold to exit. But anyways, we're going to take that out. So it comes with 2 wipes. Let's go ahead and peel this off. From factory it had a whole bunch of bubbles underneath. I don't know, somebody must have messed with it and peeled it up. So we're just going to take this screen cleaning wipe out of the packaging. Okay, and we're just going to wipe this stuff up. And ow, the screen is burning hot right now. Okay, so this is just evaporating all the stuff because ow, 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 ow. I probably should have done this at night. The screen is like burning hot. Maybe I would open the windows, but I don't want all the dust to blow in. So that's kind of the problem there. Okay. And I can see there's a lot of dust that's getting on here, lint. So I'm gonna have to be careful. I'm getting scam calls left and right on my personal number for some reason. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and get the other one. I mean, it looks clean, but since we have this, I have no reason to save it. So let's go ahead and take it out, and we'll open this up and we'll wipe it another time. Okay, wipe it once more. All nice and clean. This stuff evaporates really fast, and also the screen is burning hot, so that it's enough to cook my fingers. All right, so I don't know, this thing doesn't seem very lint free, but why not? Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, we got that. If you see bits of dust, they have this where you can use to remove dust from it. Okay, so it says do not throw this away, use to remove dust before installing. So basically you just hold this like that, and then you can use that to kind of get any big dust pieces out. And yeah. I don't know if it would help to use like an air purifier or something before doing this, but alright, anyways, it looks, to me it looks dust free. I don't really see anything. Okay, or if there is, it's like really tiny. So okay, so next thing we're gonna do, we got this tray here. We're gonna peel this off. It is labeled, it says which side is the top, so I'm peeling this, and the top side is facing up. So we're gonna put it this way. You get the top on first. Okay, so get the top in first, just like this, at an angle. Once you get that in, you let this go down. Okay, and then you just swipe your finger all the way across here like this. Once you've done that, you want to wait 30 seconds, it says. So I guess I'll count in my head longer than 30 seconds and hope that's long enough. Okay, keep waiting. I can already see there's a huge bubble right there that we're probably gonna have to squeegee out. Alright, I think it's already been 30 seconds. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna peel this piece off here in the middle, and it helps to kind of just roll it back like this instead of pulling it away. So that way, instead of pulling the screen away, it will just peel this thing off. Just like that. Alright, I'm gonna stick this back up here so in case I for some reason need it again, then we'll take this off. Okay, now you can see we got all these bubbles in here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna squeegee them out if we can. Okay, the giant one's working, so I'm gonna use the giant bubble actually to squeegee the smaller ones away, because that's gonna be harder to remove. I think all these bubbles out here are gone. Looks okay. Alright, so we're gonna squeegee this. There you go. You can see the bubbles combine, and then that helps to push the other bubbles out. So there we go. We're gonna push this giant bubble all the way to the edge. These other bubbles are in the screen protector that's on top. You don't need to worry about those. The main one you need to worry is this one that kind of has a green tinge to it. Alright, so we're gonna push that all the way to the corner edge. And there we go. It's deflating itself. Okay, so I think we got the bubbles out completely. Alright, make sure. Once you got all the bubbles out, you can go ahead and peel this screen protector off. Okay, and there we go. So here you can see, now we have this matte screen protector nicely fit on here, nice and snug. We're going to press and hold to exit this. Hold it for like 3 or 4 seconds. It has a countdown, and there we go. So you can see, again, right now, because of the screen protector, it's a lot more fuzzy. The picture's not as sharp, but there's no crazy glare. So actually, it's a lot easier for me to see the screen when it's all glary. But yeah, definitely it does affect the look of the screen because it's more fuzzy. So if you prefer to have a nice clear view, you can get they have clear glossy screen protectors. But because I get so much glare, I'd rather block the glare and have a little bit less of the clearness of the screen. All right, and then let me see if there's something else here. So we're gonna do